What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing freakishly amazing. We're back at it with another one, and we're gonna do this is tutorial number 8, I believe, and we're going to add TensorBoard logging so that we can actually visualize how our training is doing. We can see, you know, our accuracy and all of that good stuff. So we are gonna go to copy it first, right? So we always do, and we're gonna copy it to another logging TensorBoard, and let's move to that one. Now, what I want to do first is I want to go to the dataset.py, and I just want to do some, I guess, some mistakes right here. Let's see. So we'll do on our training here, on our setup, we'll do transforms.compose like this. And well, first of all, we got to do let's see, import horizontal flip vertical flip from Torch Vision. Right, that's how you did it. And then we will go to here. We will do transforms dot random vertical flip. We will also add random horizontal flip and then transforms to tensor. And we won't normalize it. All right, that's it. All right, so what did we just do? We just added some really dumb augmentation that I definitely did not make when I just was learning about PyTorch. I mean, if we're training on MNIST and we're thinking basically more augmentation is better, right? But these are gonna completely ruin our images because if you do that to a digit, it's no longer that digit. Anyways, let's just say that we did that and we didn't know about it. So what we want to do is we want to add the stuff to TensorBoard so that we can sort of figure that out. So we did that. Let's go to our, let's see, where will we add this? So in the training first, we will add from PyTorch lightning.loggers. We're going to import TensorBoard logger. If we go to loggers here, we can see that we have a bunch of them. You know, maybe this one is the one you would I don't know, like TensorBoard is obviously really good. You can also use this, I haven't done it, but weights and biases logger or Neptune logger, MLflow, Comet logger. You have all of these different ones that you can integrate with their service, I guess. So those are the ones that are available. If we go back to our train here, let's say we want to add that now. So we can do logger equals TensorBoard logger. This is going to be the folder where we put it. So you can do tb_logs, and then you can name it. So let's do MNIST model v0, for example, and then maybe we do some changes. We just add it to do v1 instead. Then we can sort of view all of those experiments at once in our TensorBoard. What this will do, by the way, if we send this into our trainer here, we do logger equals logger, it will automatically know which metrics we are logging during our training. Where if we go to model here, we can see, you know, we are logging training loss, training accuracy, train F1 score, validation loss, test loss, and you can do whatever you want here, right? You can add more as well. Let's also add that so that we can see that that was a mistake, right? Maybe we want to visualize the images before we send them in for training. So we could do something like if batch index modulus, I don't know, 100 equals 0. We can, let's see here. We can first take out X and Y from our batch. X and Y from batch. And then here, let's just take out a couple of them, maybe 8. And we will compute a grid. But we've got to do this. So we're computing a grid here. We're making Torch Vision utils make grid of these 8 examples here. That's just to make the 8 images into a single image so that we can add that image to our TensorBoard. So we do self.logger.experiment.add image. And there's also one more thing we need to keep track of here. So we send in, we specify the name, MNIST images, the grid that we want to send in. This is sort of normal to, if you have seen my TensorBoard video before, then this is pretty much the same thing. And then we need to send in the global step here as well. So this way we will get images and we will get all of our metrics in TensorBoard. Real quick before you continue, we need to pip install TensorBoard just to make sure that we have it. So that's all we're going to do, pip install TensorBoard, and we should be good to go. All right, so now we should be able to run this. So we just do python train.py, and it will, let's see, okay, torch vision is not defined. We need to go to our model, import torch vision, and hopefully that's enough. All right, cool. So now it's training. We can go here and we can do TensorBoard log dir of, what did we call it? TB_logs. And this bind all is just because I'm running through SSH so that it works correctly. And we need to conda activate first, and then we can run it. Now, if we go to TensorBoard, we can see that we have all of the metrics here. We have accuracy, F1 score, which is going to be pretty much identical to the accuracy here, train loss, and so on. Now, we also have these images, right, that we created. And here we can see that, oh, wow, something is actually off here, right? Because, I mean, what is that? I don't know. That's a vertically flipped 4, I think. And horizontally? No, I think it's just vertically. And then this is yeah, it looks like a mess, right? So you can figure out if you've done some bad augmentation and stuff like that. It's always a good sanity check. So now, all right, hopefully you found this useful and you now have an idea of how you can integrate TensorBoard with your Lightning project. In the next video, we'll get into how to use a profiler to know where exactly our compute time is being spent, if we are waiting for our data loading, and so on. All right, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you thought it was useful, and I hope to see you in the next one.